Welcome guys to another day. It's second day for our training on Canva. I would not want to waste time, so we'll just go straight to the class for today. And this is Canva. I'm sorry if you're finding it difficult to really understand what I'm doing. I just wish you can follow the white cursor as we proceed, because I literally do not really have enough time to sit on this video and then start editing it from beginning and all. But subsequently I'll try my best to see. I am terribly sorry for the time waste from my unavailability. Alright, while we wait for network to load, like I explained earlier, that Canva is a graphic design app that you use to design online or on your mobile phone. You can use your system if you wish. It has templates, already designed templates, right? Already designed templates. Or you can wish to start your graphic designs afresh. So for me, I will have to start with a class on a design on maybe probably school or invitation. Alright, I think yesterday I was talking about thumbnails and what again? Just like the way you have on Facebook, you have profile picture, you have background profile picture. That's how it is on YouTube. YouTube have more of a profile picture and then a thumbnail. You don't just upload any kind of picture on YouTube. They have a size, they have a recommendation. So those are thumbnails. So maybe you want to do a graphic design for your YouTube page or your YouTube account, rather, is the handle they call it, or YouTube account. You use those sizes of thumbnail. You use their places for thumbnail if it's your social media and what have you. Anyone you want to use, they are all available for you there. And for today, we want to go into probably school. Let's say welcome back to school, something like that. So you can just go check for templates. Just go online, log into your Canva, and then proceed to search. Then search for schools or whatever it is that's in your mind you want to do. You might see options. It's just like Google, where you type something, probably something in your mind, food or whatever it is you type. They will bring options for you. You go through them and see the one that you love or something similar to what you want. You can just choose to edit them. Sorry, back to what we are doing before, right? Like I said, whatever it is you want to do, you can just come up to this place up here. So you search your content, this one above, all right, and then search whatever it is you want to do. Then these three dots, let's wait for it to load. Now you can see brand, ads, Canva, trash, and then your recent works here. I will. So you can add accounts. You can see school design and the rest. Now this is not where your interest should be on. This is where your interest should be on. This is where your interest should be on. What is it that you want to do? I think I've explained all these ones to you. So search your content on Canva and Canvas. Now this is school. This is cool. Probably I want to design a flyer for school. Maybe all this welcome back to school stuff and the rest of them. So I'll come here. Wait for it to load. Patiently wait for it to load. So yeah, my network can be slow. I have data on MTN, a lot of it, and I don't have on my Glow. If now I would have switched over. So please bear with me. Okay, it's coming up. Yes, so you can see back to school. You can see school admission. This one has a pro on it, which means you have to pay for it. Which means you have to pay for it, and then you can see pro, pay for it. This one doesn't have a pro, and all of that. So you just keep searching something you like, something, a unique design you want. Even this pro, you can do the work from scratch, right? You can do your work from scratch. You can do these designs from scratch and all that. So let's just look for a template that we can work on. Okay, I think I'll pick. I've seen one that I want, but let me still check. I want something simple that I can really explain. Alright, let me just use this for research, for teaching purposes. Alright, so the design is still popping up because of network. It's still coming up. Just give it a little time to come up, and then we'll comment what we want to. Good. Some of the things we need are up here. Okay, the design is now up. Now you can see this one is a picture. Alright, it's a picture you just put behind. Let's say for instance you know what, let me start this work afresh. Probably just start it from scratch. Alright, let's start from scratch, and then let me show you some things. Let's go back to this. I'm just giving you an illustration when maybe you want to start a design. This could be your design, but let's start something afresh. Alright, let's start something afresh. In case you want to start your own design afresh, you don't want to use their templates, We've come this far. Network, please. Good. So just move quickly. The slightest opportunity to just get move with us. Come to this plus. Alright, click on it. I'll choose A4. I'll choose poster, portrait. I think I've explained what portrait and landscape is, so there's no need going back and forth on it. So we'll just choose. Now can you see Instagram post? Even Instagram has a size you can choose. So let's not talk too much and just go to poster. I want to start the work afresh from scratch, so I can be explaining some things. So now take us to template. Okay. Take us to template. Well, let's say I choose to go to photo instead of using template because I want to explain something like that picture we saw in that school. Let's say I pick a picture. Let me see. When I pictures upload, come up so that pick a picture and then use it. You can choose to download. Yeah, go and download pictures from online. You can choose pictures online or your gallery. And let's say which one should I use? Which picture should I use? Okay, let me use this. Sorry. Click on it. Then add to page. Add to page. Okay. Add to page. You can choose to drag it here, but it's not nice dragging picture here like this. This thing. It's not nice to drag picture like that, especially if it is on CorelDRAW. But this one is flexible to not stretch your work. Do you understand? But if you are exporting the work, you export the work and then you are dragging it like that, maybe on CorelDRAW. For some of you that know CorelDRAW, on CorelDRAW, it will stretch your work, and we don't want the work to be stretched because it's not going to look nice. But here is flexible. It's more of like your pictures in a box. You just drag it, double tap on it to adjust the picture. Double tap on it to adjust the picture. Once you drag, double tap on it to adjust the picture. Okay, let me reduce it a little so it looks like you can drag from the end. This is to expand. Hold here, drag, expand. You want to adjust the picture. See, why am I adjusting the picture? Because my head is inside and I don't want it like I want my head to show. So you can adjust it once you drag, adjust. Right. Drag and adjust, then done. Click on done. Then we can choose to go and look for another background. Let's say we'll come to shapes. Let's use this or box. Anyone want to use? Okay. You can choose to carry it, drag it anywhere you want to drag it. Alright, drag it to this end, and then you can put a background to this one. You see that whiteboard, this frame. Initially, when we open it to the whiteboard, we can add color to it. Let's say red, and let's say this one milk. You can give this one milk color. If you don't see milk, you can come to this place, click on this plus, then see milk. Just do your adjustment. I'm just saying. Now your color combination matters a lot, right? Color combination matters a lot. I said for your graphic designs, you need your color and font which is right up matters a lot. You can see elements. Now text. Let me use text. and then I'll choose, let it come up. Let me choose this. Then if I'm choosing this, I think I should use a white background. Now to bring the beauty of this green. Right, colors matters a lot. Okay. Click on it. Colors matter a lot. See, these ones, you see, if I click on this, you see it comes down. If I click on this, you see it comes down. It is grouped. You understand? They selected it and grouped it. But let me put white background instead on this. Good. So that to bring the quality of our picture out. You understand? Right. So let's say, let me ungroup it so that I can edit it individually. Or now look at this place. This place is, maybe you made a mistake and you want to return it back. You can click on it to undo it. Click on this place. See? Okay, it's not. You click on it. See, it's back to grouped. Do you see? So the question is now, how do you group things? Let's start from there. How do you group things? It's simple. Just click on the image. You can come to this place, these dots here, these 3 dots, or you scroll to this small. Okay, back to what we were saying. I said if you want to group maybe picture, write up, or whatever it is, you either click on these 3 dots or you scroll to this place more, then you see select multiple. You click on select multiple and then you click on the second one. Can you see? You see it will change to group. Then you group them. Let's say you want to still add something to it. See, let me move out of here so that I can move the image so that you can see. Can you see? This group, and I can ungroup them. Anytime you want to just group something together, you can just click on it, image like that. Now that is that for that. Then I think that is tool. We've come to tool. I've taught you image, right? I've shown you gallery. Now when you click on, now watch, notice something that is happening under here. Notice something. If it's like this, you can just see design, element, text, gallery, brand, upload, draw, project of course is previous work we've done, then apps, then we have photos, audio, background, and all that. All these we're going to, by the grace of God, touch part of them. Alright, but once you click on an image, see what happens. You can see write up coming out. You see edit, you can see shape, you can see color, style, corner, effects, text style, then font size. Font size is how big or small a write up is. Can you see how big or small a write up is? Then we have color, and then we have, if you see B is what? Bold. If you see I is italic. Bending is slide. If you see U and then slash under, is just telling you is underline. Of course, you know this. We've done it in what's it called, in WPS Office. Now you can see this one is to write from left to right, centralize from right to left. Then this one is justify. Then look at bulletin. This one is bulletin, the one that has dots. Then this one is bulletin that has numbering. So that's that. Like I told you, we're going to use the information on that place in what's it called, WPS Office in graphic design. Now see here, line spacing. Line spacing is letter spacing. Letter spacing is, let's say for example, let me use this for example, letter spacing. Okay, let me return it back and then click on this. Right, just click on it and then go to letter spacing so that you understand what I'm saying. Can you see? Letter spacing is just to space the letters from each other. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? And shrink it and shrink it and shrink it like that. Then line spacing is this. Can you see? Can you see? Downwards movement. Let's say growth and large downward movement. But while returning it back. Like I said, if you made mistake, you can always return it back. Then we have anchor text and all. So return it back, come here, this place. It's either to undo or redo. Undo, redo. These arrows, undo to redo. So we'll take it back to the way it was before. Take it back. So if you click on, is that all about text? Let me see. Then we have effects. Effects. You can choose to put this one that has shadow. You can choose to use this one. This one is none. This one has shadow on it. This one also shadow. This one. You see, these are the effects on these ones. So whatever it is you want to do is left for you to do. Can you see? Can you see? This one is background. You can click on them. See, there is more to it. If you click on this one, you can double tap on it. Can you see? You can increase intensity, make it wide, reduce it back, and all that. You can click on this one. You can click double tap on it. So that choose color and the rest of them. Anyhow you want to do it. Click on this. Click on this. Click on this. You can come to it and increase or decrease it. Anyhow you want to do it. Whatever way you want to do it, it's left for you. Alright? So that's just it. Instead of clicking cancel, you can just tap on here and then come to effect again. Where's the effect? Okay. Then you have shape. Do you want it straight or you want it bent? You can click on it to edit it. To edit it further. You want it bent? Anyhow you want to do it. So it's left for you on what you want to design. Alright? I just want to return it back to the why is this one looking for my eyes? Okay, let's return it back. Let's just return it back to where it was before. Its original state. Back. Well, I kind of like this. Well, let's return it. Let's return it back. I think we're back. Group. Oh, so what more do I want to show you now for today? Because I don't want to bore you with plenty information. I really want to bore you with plenty information. So let's just do little touch today. Then we have animation. This one is when you want to do a video. You understand? You want to do video. You want the write-up, not graphic design alone, but you want the write-up to have some styles in it. Maybe you want to do editing and all that. But I'm not using that, alright? So let's not do that for now. Let's not do it. Let's take it back to none. Alright? Take it back to none. Because when you want to export, you either export it as video or image. Then we have transparency. Can you see? See that reduce, make it faint or increase it. Then what again do we have? We have layer. Let's say it's a phone and then the space are small. You might be touching one thing or the other. You can come to layer and then be selecting the ones you want to work on. Do you understand? Selecting the ones you want to work on. So this is overlap. This is what it does. let me click on something. Okay, this, and then take it up. Can you see? Let's see this. Can you see? So what more do I show you? This effect, okay, is on the right top. And then position, do you want it to be behind, back, or in front? See something? Probably in front, behind, and the back. Can you notice something? So where do you want the effect to be on? Position to be behind, left, top, middle, center, bottom, right. Anywhere you want it to be, do you understand? Then this is advanced. Maybe you have your measurement in your head where you want it to be. I'll be doing that, but I prefer you use either this, can you see, up, down, or just use your hand and just move it instead of stressing yourself and doing all those things. And then we have this place where you can copy style or anything you want to do. You can paste. Can you see? Copy and paste. We're not doing that. You can choose to duplicate. You either go to this last part of more or here. Check this place. Can you see this 3 dots up here? You can choose more. It's the same place will take you to. Right, so you can choose to duplicate. It's almost the same thing as copy and paste. Then comment and all this. I think the only two you'll be needing here is this, and then this one's up here for now. Alright, that being said, so we have fonts. You can choose to have different type of fonts. You can select the ones you want. You can just click on here. You see different type of fonts. Because of my network, yeah, this is because of network glitch. Okay, you're coming up. You can choose any type of font you want. Can you see? You can choose this. See? Anything you want to choose, you can choose. Any type of write-up you wish to use, you can choose it. Then we have text style. You can choose either heading or whatever it is you want to do. Then font size. Good. I think I did not really touch this font size. Can you see? But that's not enough. You can choose to drag it here. Instead of using this, you can choose to drag it to the size you want. Then you can either choose to, okay, some write-ups will not allow you to bold or italic, but you can do underline to it. You can add slash to it.